Occasionally, your data sources may change. For example, the IP address of a database, or perhaps your login credentials have been updated. Also, perhaps there were changes to the column sets, column names, or database names, and you need to update your data model. One option is to delete your table from the data model and then create it from scratch. But if your data model is complex, this can be pretty complicated. The preferred way is to update your data source's connectivity settings. Updating your connectivity settings in Sisense is quick and easy. Let's try a simple example with a spreadsheet. In my Google Sheets file, I see that there are 3 columns: company name, industry, and year established. Let's go ahead and add it to the data model. What happens in my data model when a new column is added to the Excel file? Nothing. To include the new table in my data model, I need to refresh the data model, which I can do by clicking on the node and selecting Connection Settings, Change Table. Now the new column has been added to my data model. Another example is updating your credentials. Let's assume you have a table in MySQL and your credentials have changed. Instead of deleting the table and adding it again, it's much easier to click on the node and select Connection Settings, Change Connection. Here you can redefine the connection settings of the data source. From here I can update my password and save it. Updating your connection settings makes it easy to update your data model without having to recreate some or all of it from scratch. For more information, see our online documentation.